In this video, I'd like to discuss the conducting system of the heart, which consists of specialized muscle fibers, cardiac muscle fibers that conduct these impulses for contraction. So you've learned about contracting tissue of muscle, the myocardium itself, but there are specialized myocardial cells that propagate action potentials used to conduct, to trigger the contraction in the right way. Now, just as a quick review where we are, we have a right atria and a left atria, a right ventricle and a left ventricle. So there is the general chambers that we will need to have an understanding of when we are doing this. Now, one that I'm going to begin ourselves with, and we'll begin here since it's near the coronary sinus and it's in the right atria, we have a sinoatrial node. We'll call it the SA node, sinoatrial. Now, a few things you guys will be looking at later on is tracks, sinoatrial tracks and pathways that we discuss in classes, but we really don't draw those out. We have a sinoatrial pathway. Now, one of the reasons we do have this collection of specialized conducting tissue and the pathways, one that we need to send it to, and I'm going to use blue here, and I'm going to draw it right here, and this is going to be my atrioventricular node, the AV node. Now, these are our we don't refer to these these tissues, things like pacemakers and etc., but these are tissues that we will use for conducting the action potential. Now, we do have a track that goes between these guys, and once we send this in green, we do give off two branches off this node. There is since this is on the left side, there is a left bundle branch, and then I'm going to make a right bundle branch that comes off. Now, some of these call these the bundles of his. Now, in purple, I'm going to draw off both of these Purkinje fibers. So remember, the green one is the left bundle branch, and the orange one is the right bundle branch, and the purple is the Purkinje fibers. And these all go together in creating the conducting system of the heart. Now, why these are so critical and what this kind of gives us an idea, which will help you to understand a lot of pathologies of the heart, and when we go on later to look at EKG and how to read them, the sinoatrial node, the atria, we look at this, blood needs to contract downwards. So if we're looking at with blood going into the ventricles, well, we need to squeeze it down. So the atria need to contract downwards to pump blood into the ventricles. But the ventricles need to pump upwards. So we have the branches specialized to make those from the bottom up, where the atria go from the top down. And that contraction that we need for these to do, this is what these tissues are very specialized in doing. So, hope you find these little videos helpful. The red sinoatrial node, the blue atrioventricular node, the orange, the right bundle branch, the green, the left bundle branch, and the purple, the Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers go out and communicate other conducting myofibrils, other conducting myocardial fibers. And this concludes my video on the conducting system of the heart. Thank you.